Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have little ones, you know how hard it is to get them to eat their fruits and vegetables sometimes, at least with my son. So thankfully I found these kids multivitamins and they are so tasty he thinks they're candy. I obviously had to try one just to make sure that the flavor was good, but he loves them and he always asks for more. My son is 2, so he gets 1 a day, obviously with adult supervision. I make sure that I'm there and I take my gummies at the same time. And they have the flavors berry, cherry, and orange. He loves all of them. He honestly always wants to eat them. He thinks they're candies. I also really love that all of the ingredients make sense. I can read the label and actually understand it. If you're looking for a way to get your kids to get their proper nutrients, I highly recommend this multivitamin. My son loves them. They are super tasty and you will too. And that's my point of view.